Hi guys, I'm TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you on how to solve two edge parities at the same time in a 5x5 cube. You usually encounter having two edge parities at the latter part of pairing edges. Thinking about edge parity, there is a predisposition that it involves long algorithms, but this is actually very simple. Let's start. I have here this two pair of edges that have both parity on it. Align them like you're just pairing, like this one. Match the edge at the middle of this one, on the left to the right. And you can do the opposite way. Bring it to the top. Exchange it with any of these correctly paired edges. Okay, like this one. Bring it down and place the centers back. Our goal now is to flip this pair of edges, and this is what you have to do. U2, L prime, B, and L. I'll repeat it, but now without algorithm, because what I did is essentially the same with this. Since our goal is to flip this pair of edges, bring it to the back, bring this one at the left to the top. You'll see the significance of this later on. Bring this one at the back to the side, and bring it to the top. So you see that this pair of edges is already flipped, and this one is not affected. Do the same thing with this pair of edges. Align them like you're just pairing. Match the edge at the middle of this one at the left to the right. Bring it to the top. Exchange it with this flipped pair of edges. Bring it down and place the centers back. You'll see, that's it. We already solved two edge parities at the same time. If you only have one edge parity, I suggest you to watch my 5x5 edge parity tutorial. We're done. If you managed to solve it, please leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.